What if I told you that there's a way to clean your fan and AC just once, and dust won't come back for months? No, I'm not talking about some expensive coating or a magical device. I'm talking about a simple trick that costs less than 50 rupees, takes just 10 minutes, and literally repels dust like a force field. Sound impossible? That's exactly what I thought. But then I tried it, and what happened next left me absolutely stunned. Keep watching, because this might be the most useful thing you learn all week. But before we dive in, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell, because what you're about to see might just change how you clean forever. The never-ending battle with dust. Let's be honest. Cleaning fans and air conditioners is probably one of the most frustrating household chores that exist. You spend an entire afternoon scrubbing every blade, wiping down every surface, getting dust all over yourself, and you feel accomplished. You step back, admire your work, and think, finally, it's clean. But then what happens? Within just 3 or 4 days, sometimes even less, the dust is back. It's like it never left. And you're standing there thinking, did I even clean this? Was it all a dream? This cycle is exhausting. And the worst part? Most of us just accept it. We think, well, that's just how it is. Dust is a part of life. But what if I told you that you've been approaching this problem completely wrong? Why dust keeps coming back? Here's something most people don't know. Dust doesn't just land on your fan or AC randomly. It's attracted to it. Yes, you heard that right. Attracted. And the reason is static electricity. When your fan blades or AC vents spin, they generate static charge. This static acts like a magnet for dust particles floating in the air. The secret ingredient revealed. So what's this miracle solution? What's the secret ingredient that professionals use but never tell you about? It's fabric softener. Yes, the same fabric softener you use for your clothes. But here's the twist. You're not going to use it the way you think. How to make the magic solution. Let me give you the exact recipe. Take a spray bottle, any empty one will do. Add 1 tablespoon of fabric softener. Then add 2 cups of water. That's it. Shake it well until the fabric softener dissolves completely. The step-by-step process. Let me walk you through this in detail so you get it perfect the first time. First, turn off your fan or AC. Unplug it if possible. Safety first, always. Then, do a preliminary cleaning. Use a dry cloth or a vacuum with a brush attachment to remove the existing layer of dust. The results that will shock you. When I first tried this method, I was skeptical. I thought, there's no way a little fabric softener is going to make any real difference. But I tested it anyway. I cleaned my ceiling fan using this method and left another fan in a different room untouched as a control experiment. After 1 week, the difference was staggering. Why this changes everything. Think about how much time you spend cleaning. Think about how frustrating it is to do the same chore over and over again with no lasting results. Now imagine cutting that time by 80, maybe 90%. Imagine walking past your fan or AC and actually being impressed by how clean it still looks weeks after you cleaned it. The science behind the magic. Let me explain why this works so well. Dust particles in the air carry a slight electrical charge. When they come near a surface with static electricity, opposite charges attract. And the dust sticks. It's basic physics. Your home will never be the same. This is more than just a cleaning trick. This is a shift in mindset. It's about understanding that most household problems have simple, affordable solutions if you just know where to look. You don't need expensive gadgets. You don't need to hire professional cleaners. You just need information. You need to know the right methods. If this video just saved you hours of future cleaning time, show some love by hitting that like button. Seriously, it helps more than you know. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe right now and turn on notifications because we're dropping game-changing tips like this every single week. Share this video with your family and friends who are stuck in the endless cycle of dusting. Let's help everyone work smarter, not harder. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay curious, stay smart, and keep your home effortlessly clean.